This how to 1 minute will show you how you can add Google search engine in your WordPress website. First of all, we will set up Google programmable search engine. So open a new tab and type here programmable search engine and open the first website. And here click on get started. Now enter here the Google search engine name and what to search. I'm selecting here search the entire web and I'm enabling this option image search, save search. Now click on create. So I've successfully created Google programmable search engine. Now click on preview to see the preview. So here is the preview. Now click on customize and now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new. And in this search box type WP Google search and install this plugin and activate. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on WP Google search. And here you have to enter your Google search engine ID. To get your Google search engine ID, go to your Google programmable search page and here scroll down and you will get your search engine ID. Copy this and paste it here. And I'm going to enable all of these options and clicking on save changes. Now I'm going to opening my website and it's time to add the search box to website. So I'm editing this website with Elementor and I'm going to my footer section and here I'm clicking on this plus icon and selecting this structure, clicking on plus and here searching for shortcode and here simply type this code and then click on apply. And now I'm going to preview my website and at the bottom here we can see the Google search box has been successfully added. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.